Looking for single-level living without the maintenance? Step into the bright vaulted foyer at Villas North in Northbrook. The dining space is open and inviting, perfect for everyday meals or entertaining. The spacious sunken living room gives you plenty of room to relax. In the kitchen, you'll find granite counters, a sunny eating area, and access to the yard. The family room adds warmth with a fireplace and custom built-ins. Step outside to enjoy the landscaped yard, large patio, and wooden deck. The oversized primary suite features 2 walk-in closets, a double vanity, and a private bath. A generously sized second bedroom and full bath complete the home. Share this with someone who is downsizing.
Call Caroline Gau for a private tour.